Sometimes it's nice just to get out in nature, even though sometimes you're not really in nature. It just looks like nature. It's all a facade because there's a road behind here and a parking lot. But sometimes, just beside the roads, you can find a little bit of nature and a little bit of exercise. That's what this video is about. Exercise on the road. Most of my exercise has been getting out of my truck, walking around, exploring, shooting video, which means my only exercise is basically just walking around. Sometimes I can twirl though. This really gets the heart pumping. But most of you know that I am getting ready to take a trip in about 4 months to a far off, wonderful land called, not the pine tree, called the Philippines. And I thought to myself, you know what? I better get in shape. I plan on doing quite a bit of things once I get there. But how do I get in shape? Just walking around and shooting videos. I'll show you. Those dogs over there look like they're getting into shape. Well, I joined a gym. This one right here, Planet Fitness. Over 2,000 locations in the United States, 80 in Mexico. Boy, get in here and devices start going off. But I joined a gym. Yes, find a gym near me. Look at all these gyms. I live in Florida here, so I got quite a few. But I travel all over the place. And look at all those. This is going to be just fantastic, I think, for my health and for my trip. Something else I started doing 2 days ago, I stopped drinking. Well, drinking everything but water and coffee. I'm a water drinker now. Some people tell me I can't do it. There's no way you're going to keep on track. This is what I normally do. I just walk the parking lots of wherever I park and shoot video. This is my exercise normally. But soon, that's about to change. At least in my head. I know what I want to do. Am I strong enough to do it? Am I strong enough, and do I have a strong enough will to go to the gym a couple times a week? Is my truck and my oversized vehicles going to be allowed in the parking lots of the gyms? A lot of unanswered questions, but I went ahead and paid for it. I got a whole year of gym membership ready to go. I'm shy enough as it is on camera. How am I going to work out in front of people at a gym? How do you guys do it? Do you feel weird about yourself doing things like that? I know a lot of you don't. A lot of you karaoke, a lot of you dance. You go dancing. I can't dance neither. Maybe the gym will open me up just a little bit to where I'll do stuff that I've never done before. It's possible. So I don't know what the rules are about videoing inside of a gym, because there's other people in there, right? They're all working out. They're probably just as self-conscious as I am, except for the big, the strong people that used to kick sand in my face when I was a child at the beach. Those people aren't self-conscious about anything. But people that are just a little bit on the chunkier side, like myself, well, it's our time to take back our world. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so I joined a gym. I'm hoping to lose about 15, preferably 20 pounds before I get over to the Philippines and kind of get on a routine. That way I'm on a routine when I get there, though I do plan on eating quite a bit of food. So it'd be nice to get my tummy down to a normal size and my hiney, bring it back to life, because it disappeared after all these years of sitting on it and driving. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I know in my heart I want to do it. I just don't know if I'll be able to stick to it forever, but I'm gonna try. Main reason my main reason is I had another driver the other day walk up to me that hasn't seen me in a long time. And he just patted me on my tummy and goes, "So when are the twins due?" Right then and there, I said, you know what? 4 months. They're going to be out of my belly in 4 months. I'm not pregnant. It just looks that way. So for any RVers out there, truck drivers, nomads, van lifers, what do you do to keep fit and in shape? Do you do what I do now, just walk around and hope that that helps with the proper diet? It's something else. I don't have a proper diet. But I think this gym membership is going to come in really handy, because for me, truck stops usually fill up about 5 o'clock in the evening. You're not going to find any parking. Rest areas like this, I'm surprised it's not full yet. It's only 3 o'clock, but give this place about 2 more hours and this place here is going to be filled up. No parking. But with the gym membership, especially the Planet Fitness ones, they got big empty parking lots most of the time because they're set up in old malls. Which means I can park for the night at the places, not have to worry about trying to find a parking spot, wake up in the morning, grab a shower, work out, do everything I need to do, and start my day like I did when I was 16, 17 years old. I think it's a win. It's a win-win situation. You got a place to park, you got a place to work out, you got a place to shower, and then hopefully in some of the parking lots you might even have a place to get breakfast. So that's what I'm doing to prepare. Not only am I preparing by getting all my paperwork done, shot records ready to go, the travel insurance, all this other stuff that needs to be taken care of before I get on the road. You also kind of got to worry about yourself. You want to make sure that your body is ready for all the excitement and fun things you're going to do when you travel somewhere. So I'm on that stage now. 4 months, 20 pounds, it's going to happen. Anyway, until the next time, guys, thanks for tuning in. I am out of here. Well, I'm actually going to stay right here in this parking lot for just a little bit. But then I am out of here, and I'll see you from down the road. Until then, peace out, everybody.